First up is Google Docs. The beauty of Google Docs is that it's accessible from anywhere and it automatically saves your work as you go along, so you'll never lose a single word of your manuscript. Plus, the collaborative features are a lifesaver when you need feedback from beta readers. Next, we have Kindle. Now, you might be wondering why a reading app is on this list. Well, as writers, reading is just as important as writing, and the app can be used for doing research. Kindle lets you carry a library of books right in your pocket, exposing you to different writing styles and storytelling techniques. You know that moment when you're writing and you just can't find the perfect word? That's where Merriam-Webster comes in. It's a thesaurus and dictionary rolled into one. It helps you to find the precise words to make your writing shine. Grammarly is perfect for first-time writers who want to make sure their writing is polished. It'll catch typos, suggest better word choices, and even provide grammar tips. It's like having an editor right there with you, but without the red pen. Now let's talk about Focus Keeper. Writing can be a marathon, and sometimes it's tough to stay on track. This app uses the Pomodoro technique to keep you productive. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This app can help you stay on top of your writing goals without burning out. Canva is a simple graphic design tool that's great for creating book covers, promotional materials, and social media posts. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make stunning visuals for your writing project. Planoly is a fantastic app for writers who are building their author platform on social media. It helps you schedule and plan your posts, analyze your engagement, and grow your audience. Because let's face it, writing the book is just one part of the journey. Marketing it is equally important. And there you have it, 7 essential apps that every first-time writer should have in their toolkit. And if you want to take your writing journey to the next level, don't forget to download my writer's checklist. It'll walk you step by step from blank page to book. The link is in the description below.